In today's fast-paced world, heart health has become a major concern. With increasing stress, poor diet, and sedentary lifestyles, cardiovascular diseases are on the rise. But fear not. By making simple lifestyle changes and adopting heart-healthy habits, you can protect your heart and live a longer, healthier life. Is there a secret weapon that can reverse the effects of aging on your heart? The answer might surprise you. Imagine your heart is like the engine of a car, and exercise is the act of fine-tuning it for peak performance. If you never take the car on the highway, the engine might sputter when you need it most. But if you regularly give it a proper run, it becomes smoother, more efficient, and ready for any challenge. The question is, when was the last time you gave your engine a chance to show what it's really capable of? Engaging in regular physical activity is vital for promoting and preserving heart health. It provides numerous advantages that help lower the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular performance. Consistent aerobic exercise strengthens the heart, enabling it to pump blood more effectively. As a result, it can reduce resting heart rate and enhance cardiac output during physical activity. Did you know that your emotions can have a profound impact on your physical health, especially your heart? Imagine your heart as a high-performance engine. It's built to handle bursts of speed, twists, and turns, but it also needs smooth stretches to cruise. If you're always flooring the gas and never letting up, the engine starts to heat up. Over time, the wear and tear builds silently, until one day it struggles to keep up or suddenly stalls. Now ask yourself, how often are you letting your engine cool down? Keeping stress in check is essential for protecting heart health, as elevated stress levels can contribute to various cardiovascular problems. Meditation can be an effective way to soothe the mind and lower blood pressure. You can focus on your breath or follow guided meditations to deepen relaxation. Deep breathing exercises are also beneficial for easing muscle tension and calming the mind. Simply inhale deeply through your nose, pause for a moment, and then exhale slowly. Did you know that a restless night could be a silent threat to your heart health? Imagine a symphony orchestra where each instrument plays a crucial role in creating a harmonious melody. When one instrument is out of tune, the entire symphony suffers. Similarly, when one aspect of our health, such as sleep, is disrupted, it can have a ripple effect on our overall well-being, especially our heart health. Quality sleep is crucial for maintaining heart and brain health. Sleep disorders can disrupt rest, making it challenging to get the sleep necessary for overall wellness. They have also been associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to support your health, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. Establishing a consistent sleep routine can further improve the quality of your rest. Do you know the silent killer lurking within your body? It's often asymptomatic, making early detection crucial. A simple, routine checkup can be your lifeline to a healthier heart. Just as a wise gardener tends to their plants with regular care, a wise individual tends to their heart with regular checkups. A small investment of time can yield significant rewards. Regular screenings identify risk factors for heart disease, allowing healthcare providers to suggest lifestyle adjustments or treatments to help prevent cardiovascular problems. Taking this proactive approach is essential, as heart disease can often be avoided with effective management. Your heart is the engine that keeps you going, and in 2024, let's make it stronger and healthier than ever before. Join us on this journey to a healthier, happier heart. Click to watch more and take charge of your heart health today.